a while since I posted a video, but there's reason behind it. I no longer work for the company that I used to work for, which is a good thing, because the job that I worked for a very long time was very demanding. And while that's fine for some people, it took away from what I really loved. I really love my family and I really enjoy cars. I spent plenty of family time, but neglected all of the things to do with cars. I didn't go to car meets, I didn't have time to go to autocross events and so on and so forth. It really took a lot of my time, and for years I'd been contemplating whether I wanted to leave the company and go forward and try to do my own thing. The decision was made for me to finally go off and do what it is that I planned on doing. I'll get to that later. For now, the updates on the cars. Nothing's really been done much. A while back I was going to make a battery install video for the Mirage, the burgundy car. I installed the battery box in the car. If you can see from here, it's not in the stock location, so it's in the back. I'll give more updates on that car eventually. My wife's car, the white and pink one, it hasn't had anything done to it in a while. It honestly, it's been sitting for a good while. And now, since I have all this time now, I can guarantee that I'm going to be posting more content for what I'm doing for the cars or so. The only issue is that my move to California will be in about a month and a half. And I may try to film some of the going cross country. We'll actually be traveling from Atlanta, Georgia to San Diego, California. While the Mirage can pass emissions here in Georgia, without a doubt it will not pass emissions in California, so I'm going to have to figure that out. My wife's car shouldn't have an issue, it just needs quite a bit of work done. So, for today though, I really need to focus on my secondary car that I haven't driven in about 6 months. My 2003 Mitsubishi Lancer. The reason is that it has to be sold before we move to California. It shouldn't have been a problem, but it appears that there are a couple of minor things wrong with the car, and for today what I'm going to do is basically just try to clean it up and wash it down, and tomorrow I may go get the emissions, if I'm able to, if it doesn't have any more issues, get the emissions and register it so they can be sold, because like I said, it can't come with us. So with that, here we go. Should have got a pressure washer.